dirty, it's time to clean. Baby animals, come let us sing. Elephant sprays with his trunk so high, the water splashes reaching the sky. Wash, wash, wash the bus, shiny clean, no need to rush. Puppies scrub, kitties too, baby ducklings splash right through. Little monkey with a sponge so bright, scrubs the windows with all his might. Bunny hops and wipes the floor. This bus is clean, but there's more in store. Wash, wash, wash the bus, shiny clean, no need to rush. Baby lambs with soapy foam makes this bus a sparkling home. Tiny turtle comes to lend a hand, washing wheels as they spin on the sand. Giraffe with bubbles from head to toe, reaching places only tall ones go. Wash, wash, wash the bus, shiny clean, no need to rush. Squirrels dance with rags in tow, wiping every window, low and high they go. Penguin slides across the floor, making sure it sparkles more. Parent squawks, the job's not through, time to make this bus brand new. Wash, wash, wash the bus, shiny clean, no need to rush. Cows and calves join the crew, everyone helps, it's what they do. Little foxes bring their towels, cleaning up with happy howls. Owl swoops down with brushes wide, polishing the bus with so much pride. Wash, wash, wash the bus, shiny clean, no need to rush. Raccoons polish their sweep too, teamwork makes this bus brand new. Tiny frogs jump in with glee, splashing bubbles joyfully. Kangaroo hops, gives a shout, time to scrub the last spots out. Wash, wash, wash the bus, shiny clean, no need to rush. Everyone works, big and small, together they have a ball. The bus is sparkling, the job is done, but the animals stay having so much fun. They splash and giggle, play in the foam. Who knew washing could feel like home? Now we're finished, it's time to ride on the cleanest bus that's all bright. Through the town we sing along, a bus wash turned into